Hello, this is James Graff with Advisors Mortgage Group, and I'm here with another Mortgage Minute, the mortgage application checklist. In order to begin the mortgage process, we're going to need you to bring in copies of the following documents: driver's license and social security card or passport, 2 years tax returns with W-2s or 1099s, all pages, pay stubs covering the most recent 1 month period, bank statements covering the last 2 months, all pages, 60 days, most recent statements for all investment accounts, all pages, such as your 401k, etc. Most recent mortgage statements for all properties, if applicable. 12 months canceled rent checks, if applicable. Real estate sales contract, if applicable. This is your mortgage application checklist, and this has been James Graff with Advisors Mortgage Group. If you have any questions at all about any of these, please contact me at 732-500-6883. Thanks.